Hey everyone, it is Ali here from alisblog.ca. So I am finally doing a video. I was trying to do this live on YouTube, but it kept cutting out and losing connection. So if you kind of saw me going live a couple of times, that is why. So now I'm just not doing a live video. Anyways, so I haven't filmed for a while because I had a lot of different things going on. I actually ended up moving, so I have a whole new nail space that I will share with you guys very soon. Not in this video, but in one coming up later on. But I thought I would just kind of update you guys. I am still here. I am going to be doing some more videos, and I'm going to try and be more consistent now that I've kind of got everything settled. But yeah, so I'm going to share with you a bunch of different stuff that I have received either from PR or that I've purchased myself. So one of the things is actually from Painted Pretty Polish, which is going to be featured in the polish pickup, which started on Friday, so it's going on till Monday. I did a video a while ago about the polish pickup. You can just get different polishes that are available exclusively just to polish pickup. So it's a kind of a cool idea. But I'll share you with I will share you the link down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here because I know this video is probably gonna be kind of long. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Alright, first I thought I would share these because they're kind of on their own. I picked these up at Winners here in Canada. They are Milk Makeup spray nail polishes. I've tried a spray nail polish before. I think it was China Glaze. It kind of worked, but I thought I would try and see what these were like since they're on sale. So what you get in here is you get a spray nail polish by Milk Makeup. Just kind of your regular thing. This one is burner, so it kind of looks like it's going to be kind of a coppery metallic. And then you get this like stencil as well. So I thought that was kind of cool. So you can do a stencil, which wasn't included with anything else. So I thought, why not try it? So I got burner, and then I picked up the color Throwy, which is like a, maybe it's holographic. Oh, because it's got a holographic sticker. So we are going to try these out in a video on their own, and we're going to see if they work. So I thought, why not, because they're on for $4 each. I don't know how much they were originally. The sticker is kind of covered over there. But we're going to try those out in a video. I thought they were kind of cool. So next product, we're going to get into what I got from the polish pickup a little while ago. Alright, so I picked up 4 polishes from the polish pickup. So this was for September. I think it was Halloween related. I can't really remember because all of my polishes kind of have a Halloweenish name going for them that I purchased. So I picked up 2 more of the Cuticula polishes. This is the Trick or Treat duo. So I picked up the Trick or Treat, or sorry, this is the Trick and this is the Static base coat. I think this one was like green apple, the smell was. It doesn't actually say. And then this one is the silk base coat, or sorry, this is the silk base coat, and this is a base coat too. I thought I got a top coat. Oh, sorry, I picked up the wrong one. Alright, hold on. Sorry, so I got Treat. This is the Timeless top coat because I got the pair, which is base coat and top coat. I was totally thrown off. That was the one that I had from before, the Snoozeberries. So anyways, so I got these ones, and I think it's like green apple and caramel or something, the smells. I like them a lot. They're going, they work pretty well. This is a different one because I got the silk base coat before, and this is the actual static one. So we're going to see how they work. And then I got another polish from Painted Polish by Lexi. I got these a little while ago. I got a couple of her polishes, and I just love all of the flecks in them. It's kind of what drew me into this polish. This one is called Zombie Kill of the Week. And then that is 2 coats of that. Like, I really love how the glitter just pops on that gray. So you'll probably be seeing that soon on my nails. And then the last one is actually a polish I've never heard before. This is the Indie Polish Patty Lopes. And this one is Piano Plays for Grace. And this is the September polish pickup, now that we know. Thanks for this polish. And that is 2 coats. Also, this one has the beautiful like fleck glitters in there. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, so that is Patti Lopes, and that is their card, so you can check them out. I'll leave all the links down below to all the different companies and all that jazz. So this is September polish pickup. I didn't purchase anything from the October one because I don't think there was anything that was grabbing me as much. But the November one is up now, so if you want to check that out, be sure to check it out because it's going to probably go up, go quick, and you only have till I think Monday, so check it out. Alright, so now we're going to get on to the polish, or Painted Pretty Polish. Alright, so now I have some polishes from Painted Pretty Polish. So Sherry sent me these to review for her. So the first one I have here is a very glittery, it's got some like fleck kind of glitters in there, bronze, gold, purple. It's really, really pretty. This one is called Autumn Galaxy. And this is 2 coats of that one. So very pretty. You can see all the different glitter, and it makes a beautiful topper for a lot of different polishes. So this one is available on her website, which I'll leave a link down below. The next one here is called If I Don't Invest in Myself, No One Else Will. This is the polish that is on the polish pickup right now, so you have until Monday to actually get this beautiful polish. It's got some pinky red and like blue and different flecks in it as well. So this is what it's actually like. This is 2 coats of that polish. I have a picture of it on my Instagram as well, and I'm actually going to show you because I think it is actually magnetized. So that's what I was reading on the earlier, so I'm going to actually show you what it's like magnetized. So we need a fresh coat for that. I'm going to get my magnet out. Let's see. Oh, it totally is. So you can see the magnet in there. Very cool. If you can see that, it actually looks really neat with it being magnetized. So that is available on the polish pickup. So again, I'll leave that link down below. Very, very pretty. Alright, and the last one is the polish of the month. This one is called, oh, I just read it, hold on. It's called Blew My Mind. She didn't actually put the sticker on it because she sent it before she actually named it. So it is a very, very pretty blue. It's just picks up all the colors, it's gorgeous. So this is 2 coats of that, really, really pretty. I'm liking this one a lot. But yeah, so those are 3 polishes that are available from Painted Pretty Polish. Again, the one, If I Don't Invest in Myself, No One Else Will, is available on the polish pickup, and the other 2 are available on her website. So I will leave all the links down below for that so you guys can check it out. I'll just share with you her website. So she has an Etsy shop, so you can check her out there. And yeah, she also has Instagram and Facebook. So definitely check her out. She has some beautiful polishes. I absolutely love them. So thanks again, Sherry, for sending them to me. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get onto the rest of the stuff. Alright, so I was sent some stamping polishes from the Born Pretty store also as a review, so I did not purchase these myself. I thought I would just kind of share the colors with you, and then I will do another video actually testing them out. So the first 5 here are actually in a group, so you purchase them as a set. So I've got White Knight series, and then I've got, oh, they're all called the White Knight series. And then their names actually are... maybe I'll just open them all up. So this one is a white polish. Oh, it just says White Knight series. And then we've got gold. Maybe I'll open them up and I'll be right back. Alright, so none of them actually say their names on them. They just say White Knight series. Oh no, it does. Never mind. White Knight series, and this is called Pure. So that's a white stamping polish. And then we've got In Fire, gold stamping polish. And then we've got Throne black. And then we've got Time Fly. We have Dark Armor. So that is the White Knight series. And then I got two other ones. This one is from the Warm Tea series. This one is called Summer Night. So it's like a mint turquoise. And then this one is from the Autumn Courtyard series, and this one is Sharon Macaroon, so purple. So those are all the different stamping polishes I got. I will do a separate video for them as well. Yeah, so that is everything I have to share with you guys. I really wish I could have done this as a live video, because then you guys could have kind of chatted with me, whatever. But oh well, next time we'll get to do that. So that is everything. I will leave all the links down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.